Hello, I'm Robert, and you're welcome here in my busy little shop. Well, as you can see, I've arrived at my summer hunting grounds, as I called it in the last video, and I apologize. I can't find my microphone. I've spent about an hour looking for that. It probably will show up when I get all this stuff unloaded and put away. But I wanted to just state again. So in the summer, I do have some other videos that are not just Leathercraft. My Leathercraft videos since the beginning of May have been a long project, typically on Saturday, and then a shorter project or topic on Wednesday with a couple of shorts scattered in there. And what my intention is to stick with the same long on Saturday, a nice project, topic or smaller project on Wednesday. And then some of my other projects that I end up doing up here, tool restoration, I've got some other stuff that I think, might be interesting. I'll put in the periods there where I would typically have a short over the summer. So anyway, with all that said, I appreciate you taking time to be at the shop today. I'm going to get this trailer unloaded, and I'm not going to wear you out with every bit of it there, but I got to get this stuff out of there. I think maybe one reason why I kept looking for an hour for the microphones is I was delaying unloading this, but we need to get to it. Yeah, I know, I've said it. I got a leather problem. Or it's a leather solution looking for a problem. I have to get some stuff made this summer. These tubs here are all almost 100% completed projects over here, so I'll have that stuff on display when I get to my first artisan show here on the 4th of July. Looks good. Well, there you go. We've got it all unloaded here now. No, it's not put away. I wish it was all put away. I need to kind of think a little bit about the placement of some of the tools. They don't really go back where they were last year. Some of it, I probably should have changed it midway through the year last year, but I got to think about it. I'll get it all put in place, and then maybe I'll give a shop tour of that and my storage system on that. And then I do want to point out one thing. The leather, my other shop, the leather's kept kind of in a closet. There's a little bit of light in there, but not much. Here I've got a lot more ambient light. So I end up throwing a drop cloth over it to help protect the veg tan leather from staining from sunlight. I appreciate you taking time to be at the shop today. Please like, share, and subscribe, but more importantly, I hope you have a great day.